Okay, so this is June 1st. Storm just started, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes ago. And the water was down where you could cross. And as you can see, it's already back up. And we've got some major nastiness. This video's not doing it justice, but it's going. Orwell and Walmart are that way, as before. As I said in my other videos, this is the marker where it came up on the 28th, the red tape. So we should be getting a lot more. And look, they've already got graffiti on. All right. Well, to be continued. This is Spring Creek. June 1st, about 5:20 or so, and it's supposed to be like this for a few. It's like it was already down earlier, where you could have crossed, and that's my sign.